Hello, house. It's Tuga again. Today, I have something for you. Actually, what we are going to do today is about FRP, that is Factory Reset Protection, or you can call it Google Lock. Now, today I'm going to teach you guys how to prevent Google Lock, that is future Google Lock, how to prevent it. Now, Google Lock it's like iCloud in iPhones. The moment you flash or you reset your iPhone, you can't use it without logging in the previous Apple account. Now, Android too have this one called the Factory Reset Protection. It is to reset, it is to protect factory reset or flashing. After flashing the phone, you have this account. You have your phone asking you to key in the account that was used before the phone was reset or flashed. Now, this one will be asking for the account that was added to the phone. So now, this is the account. Let me go to my settings. This is the account that I've added to my phone. So here, let me search for accounts. You see, that is the Google account. So this is the account that I have in here. That is type@gmail.com. So after resetting this phone, or after flashing this phone can't be used. That is when I'm setting up my setup step before the home screen. They will ask me to enter my Google account. That is this mail that I have in the Gmail before I can have access to the phone's menu and even use the phone. So now, if you want to prevent this thing from happening, maybe you don't want to keep this stuff, you don't want to be asked for your previous account, then there is an option in the phone that is causing all these things. So now you come to your settings, please locate your settings, and you enter this last but one option. It might be last but 3 or 4 options in your phone, especially the new Android version, that is the version 8 and the version 9. So now you find developer options. Please, if you can't find developer options in your phone or in your settings, please, you have to go and rebuild your developer option, which I've made a video on. So I'll put the video link, that is how to enable your debugging. I think before you enable your debugging, you have to build your developer option there. So now I have my developer option. So that is it. So I open my developer option. Now you see that is debugging, the one that I spoke of. But that one, this is not necessarily what we need here now. But I've made a video on USB debugging, how to enable it. On that video, I've shown you guys how to build your developer option. So now, what we are going to do today is based on this. It is OEM unlocking. Now, this thing here is turned off now. This is what is causing Google or your device to ask you for the previous account that was used in the phone before flashing or before the factory reset. So now, because this is off, anytime that I reset or flash this phone, they will demand for my previous account before I can have access to the phone. So the moment I turn this option on, they are asking for my password. So I've used the fingerprint. Okay, don't be confused. So now I've enabled it. So far as I've enabled this OEM option, anytime I reset this phone or anytime that I flash this phone, they won't ask me for the Google account that was previously synced or used with the phone or with the device. So I'll be free. I'll just have access to my phone. If it's stolen to, the person will just reset or flash it and have access to your things. So it is optional for you. We have to keep it on or off. If it's off, meaning, let me use my fingerprint. If it's off like this, meaning anytime you flash your phone or you reset your phone, they will ask you for the Google account that was previously used with the phone. So if it's not your account, then you have to provide account details or probably send it to a mobile software technician to take it off for you, in which they will charge you. So this is the trick we've learned today. Just to check or uncheck this button on. It deals with the FRP lock or the Google account lock. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.